Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take the keycaps off the keyboard on HP Victus 16. So at first I would recommend turning the laptop off so we just don't press on anything accidentally. So let's wait until that light goes off. And now we can just use any tool that we can pry it with. I'm gonna use this SIM card tray opener, but honestly you can use anything because this is a very easy keyboard to take the keycaps of it. So I'm just gonna pry it gently, and you need to pry the edge. Do not go with the tool too deep inside, just pry the very edge of it. Then take your finger and put it inside. You can easily take the keycap off. Before taking all the keycaps, I would recommend first taking a picture of your keyboard. Different layouts may look quite differently, so you just don't get the keys confused. Always make sure you're only prying the edge, because as you can see in the inside, you can see this mechanism, and if you pry this mechanism you may accidentally break it. So really just do the edge, the very edge, and you don't need to pry it until it clicks. Just pry it until you can put your finger inside, then with your finger click it until it goes off, and then to put it back on, just place it, then with your finger make sure it clicks in at least 2 spots. Then you can slightly massage it so you can make sure it's fully in. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.